Hello, Standard 10. Going to start a new chapter, Chapter 3, Genetics. Okay, very important. Last year, it was not in the syllabus. This year, this chapter was included. So, first thing, what is genetics? Genetics is the study of heredity. Okay, genetics is the study of heredity. So what is genetics? We have studied is the study of heredity. Now what is heredity? It is the transmission of character from one generation to the next generation. Transmission of body features from parents to the offspring. Okay, children. So, study of heredity is called genetics, and heredity is the transmission of body features from parents to the offspring. In this chapter, we are going to think about this. And do you know, Gregor Mendel is known as the father of genetics. Father of genetics is Mendel. He worked on pea plant. He was a monk, priest in a church, and worked on the pea plant, crossing blue flower pea plant with the pink flower, and different type of researches he did. And after his death, only the world came to know about him, his work, and he was honored as the father of genetics. Okay. Now, second thing which we have to discuss, and that is the variation. What is variation? Variation is different. We all are human beings belonging to the species Homo sapiens, but still difference is there in us. Some are dark colored, some are fair colored, some are taller, some are shorter. Even there is difference between two sisters, two brothers, that is the variation. Okay, and next thing which we have to discuss, that is the character and trait. Character. Heritable features are called character. And traits. What are traits? They are the alternate form of character. Alternate form of character. Dear children, all the characters are not transmitted to next generation. Some are heritable character, when this is transferred, and other is acquired character. Acquired character is not transmitted. For example, if your father is a genius person, it is not necessary that he will also become a genius, because he has acquired that thing in his life, and that character is not transmitted. Other is heritable features, skin color, color of the eye. There are some examples in your book which can be transmitted. For example, color of eyes, brown or blue, hair shape, curly or straight, eyebrows, heavy, bushy or thin, hair on the middle joint of fingers, tongue rolling, hand use, skin color, ear nose, lips, RH blood group. These are the characters which can be transmitted. What are the traits? In RH blood group traits are either positive or negative. Earlobe, what are the traits? Either attached or free. So this part is clear. Now coming to the chromosome. Next topic, chromosome. We have discussed that each and every cell, whether plant or animal, each and every cell contains a nucleus, and inside the nucleus chromatin fibers are there. And during cell division, this chromatin fibers become shorter and thicker, and now they are called as chromosomes. Very clear. This chromosome also carries heredity. Means these chromosomes carry hereditary material. And if you are taking the photograph of the different types of chromosomes, for example, we have got 23 pairs of chromosomes. In human, each cell contains 23 pairs. And you are arranging on a chart the photograph of the 23 pairs according to their shape and size. Then that is called karyotype. Very clear. What is karyotype? Artificial arranging the chromosomes according to their size and shape on a chart paper or a chart is called as karyotype. Next, chromosome number in each of the organism is fixed. As in human, we have got 23 pairs, in other different. And you can see in lion, tiger and domestic cat, each have got 38 pairs of chromosomes. Now chromosomes are always present in pairs. And the two chromosomes of each pair are similar in shape and size, and they are derived from each of the parents. One from father and one from mother. The identical chromosome pairs are called homologous chromosomes. So karyotype we have to do. After that, homologous chromosomes. What are homologous chromosomes? Homologous chromosome, a pair of corresponding chromosomes of the same shape and size obtained from each parent. Okay, and if we will see the chromosome of human being, the human being total 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. 22 pairs do not take part in sex determination, and one pair takes part in sex determination. These 22 pairs are called as autosomes. Okay. And one pair is called as sex chromosome. Sex chromosome. And all is called as allosome. Very clear. This autosome and allosome. Autosome is responsible for other characters, and for sex determination, the last pair, that is called allosome of the sex. Now, if we will say female chromosome, all means 23rd pair. What I am talking about 23rd pair will look like this. And if we will say male, it is not identical. One is larger pixel and one is white. Very clear. So, what happens if, see here, this is female chromosome and this is male chromosome. Gametes are acquired. Here also acquired gametes. If eggs of the male fertilizes eggs of the female, then the child is female. If Y fertilizes of any of the eggs, then the result is XY and the child is male. So this way, male or female child are born, or a son or a daughter are born. Means the sex of the child depends on the father, because 23rd pair, which is the sex chromosome or the allosome, are different. One is X shape and one is Y shape. Next, these chromosomes are the carriers of the genes. What does this chromosome contain? Carry. They carry genes. We are knowing that chromosomes, these are made up of DNA. Made up of DNA. And DNA we have discussed. And segment of DNA, part of DNA, segment of DNA means supposing part you have cut, this becomes segment of DNA is called a gene. And one gene carries one character. Okay. And about 19,000 types of genes are present in the chromosome. So very clear. And for characters, these genes are the component. One new word is there, genome. Full complement of DNA, including all genes and intergenic region of an organism, is called a genome. So difference between gene and genome may be asked. So dear children, what we have discussed today, what is genetic, what is heredity, what is variation, what is character, what is trait, what is chromosome, how many types of chromosomes are there. We discussed about the sex determination and we discussed about the gene. Today up to this much. In the next video, we will discuss the